Worried about spending too much money on streaming services? Luckily, there is a way to access OTT content without committing to a subscription. The key is finding the right places to look. One of the easiest ways to watch OTT content without signing up for any monthly fees is by using the Castle app. This single app can be used to access content from all your favorite streaming services, including Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video. You just browse the library of available titles, pick the ones you want to watch, and start streaming, and don't worry about having to manually look for shows in different apps. Castle app does that for you. It automatically searches for your chosen titles across multiple platforms so you don't have to waste time switching between them and find what you are looking for quickly and easily. So if you are looking for a way to enjoy OTT content without spending a fortune on monthly subscriptions, give the Castle app a try. And also you can earn money by watching movies in Castle app and completing simple tasks. You can also withdraw your money. If you like this video, please share this video your friends and family. Support our channel friends. Like and subscribe our channel. This app link in the description.